Hello there. Hey, Flynn. Hey, Rapunzel.
I like all the flowers you have on your shirt.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yes.
Right up your alley. Yeah.
Yes. Do you have a favorite kind of flower?
A favorite kind of flower? It's a good question. I don't. What's your favorite?
Oh, it's too tough to pick. That's why I have so many different kinds in my hair. But maybe I should add some flowers like yours, some more tropical ones.
Have Maximus and I go look through the floors.
Okay, perfect. I think that would be good. Maybe I can collect some from here. I like to collect different flowers from my travels, so I think that would be really nice to do.
Yeah.
So is Maximus here somewhere outside?
He's back at the kingdom right now.
Ah.
We'll probably have to collect them at a different time, but we make sure that he stays there so he can keep our kingdom safe. He's also great at training all of the guards and keeping them in line, too.
We're teaching him how to use frying pans. So
well.
Maximus and I teach the guards.
Yes, Maximus is very skilled with the frying
My
pan.
frying pan over there right now.
So I have a request, maybe. I've heard of this thing called the smolder.
Oh.
Have you heard of such a thing?
Just heard of the legends.
Would you be able to demonstrate this?
Of course.
You ready?
I am ready. I don't know if I'm ready. I think I'm ready. No wonder she's with you.
It doesn't work. That's what makes her so special. You know?
I'm trying to work on my smolder. It's not ready for presentation yet.
Okay,
Yeah.
But
yeah,
I'm
I
still
understand.
in my smoldering lessons.
I do smoldering lessons every month or so at Snuggly Duckling.
Well,
Do you know how to smolder?
well, I just learned from the master.
Okay, well, when you practice,
Like you, I need to work
This
on
is
it.
3 steps, really. It's just pretend like you're looking into the sun, then pretend like you just ate a lemon, and then just do a small amount.
You want to give it a try?
I think I need to practice a bit more before I do.
I totally
I want
understand.
to make sure it's just right before I show anyone. I can't get shown up, you know? I gotta make sure it competes.
I understand. Well, thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
Bye now.
Have a great day.
You too.